Okay, HG Flex. Here we go. Joints form the connections between bones. They provide support and help you move. Any damage to the joints from disease or injury can interfere with your movement and cause a lot of pain. Many different conditions can lead to painful joints, including osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, bursitis, gout, strains, sprains, and other injuries. In fact, in one national survey, about 1/3 of adults reported having joint pain within the past 30 days. So people with arthritis and joint pain, people walking with stiff back, waking up with a stiff back, neck, shoulder, or knee, people who have maybe fallen or slipped, athletes with sports strains and sprains, strains, or bruises, weekend warriors who have overdone it, office workers who are stiff from sedentary position, workers who do heavy lifting or repetitive motion. So it's pain relief without the drugs or surgery. It contains, why HG Flex? It contains glucosamine hydrochloride in the vegetable form. On the market today, you will get limestone or shellfish or something like that. This is actually very vegan friendly. It's all vegetable. So glucosamine helps with the cushioning of the joints. Chondroitin sulfate, also in the vegetable form, helps with the connective tissue in the joint, forming cartilage. MSM is a wonderful anti-inflammatory. They actually give it to racehorses after a race to help recover their joints after a race. Hyaluronic acid helps to provide synovial fluid, which actually sits in between the joints to help the mobility of the joint. UC2 natural collagen is actually undenatured chicken collagen that helps also restore the joint, as well as manganese gluconate. Now, it also has these powerful anti-inflammatories, which include boswellia, which is actually frankincense, and from biblical times. But boswellia is a great anti-inflammatory. Curcumin, which comes from turmeric, the Indian spice, is an anti-inflammatory. Arnica, which is homeopathic, and that also is an anti-inflammatory. White willow bark is actually aspirin. It is the natural form of aspirin, not the synthetic chemical part of white willow bark that is taken out, extracted from the white willow bark to make aspirin, but then you're not getting the synergy of all the other ingredients with white willow bark. And then elderberry, which has been used in ancient times as an anti-inflammatory. So here you go. Rebuild, restore, and rejuvenate your joints with this wonderful product.